video is about how to make expensive design on canvas sheet. So I decided to make a clutch with the design of this famous bag brand Louis. I wanted to give a try. So let me show you how I made this. Firstly, for this we need just one canvas sheet, bag lock, 2 rings and 2 yarn. We need to cut sheet in such a manner that it can hold mobile, leaving 3 cm space from both sides. Now I draw design on it just to show you what design we are going to make on it. Now start stitching according to design we made. Try to make it similar. There should be some specific pattern we should follow while stitching. Once one set of design get completed, we need to make similar stitches. This project needs a lot of patience and observation. And last but not the least, don't forget to stitch LV on it. I don't feel it correct for first time, so I made it second time as well. So if you also think that the design you made is not correctly stitched, then you can go ahead and make stitching again. Once the design get completed, we will use dark color of yarn to fill the remaining area. I am using dark brown color for it and stitching 5 holes together every time. Fill the whole sheet with this color of yarn. Now take the portion that we cut before, use it for making sides. Do cutting just like shown in video. Start stitching 5 holes together on these sheets and also attach ring while stitching. Once stitching is done, attach lock bottom part by using plier. Take felt fabric and black lining fabric to hide the messy work. Also attach fabric to sides as well. I am using sewing machine for attaching fabric to the design. Now do whip stitch and attach sides to the clutch. And also cover raw edges as well. Attach lock with help of plier and attach chain as well. Beautiful and expensive design on canvas sheet is ready. I hope this video is helpful to you. You will love to make your LV clutch just like I made for myself. So what you think about this clutch? Interesting? Please comment down, and I'm so happy with this one. So I thought, why not I challenge myself. Let's say if this video hits 100 likes, I will make another clutch or bag video on canvas sheet. So if you want me to make another interesting design like this, then please hit like and keep watching and